Hey, what's going on, guys? It's BrainBean here again. Because we all love a good sound test, I've put together a little compilation of some non-clicky tactile gaming switches. And if you guys are interested in those, I'll have all the links down to full reviews of the keyboards you're going to see if you want to learn more. But we're going to be taking a look at the Razer Orange switch, the Logitech Roamer G switch, and of course the good old Cherry MX Brown. So with that, let's go listen to some keyboards. Well, that's it for the sound compilation, guys. Let me know in those comments down below which one of these switches you think sounds the best. And of course, if you want to learn more about any of the keyboards you saw in this video, I'll have links to my full reviews down in the description. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it to show your support. And if you're new here, I'd love to see you subscribe because I've got some really great stuff coming in the near future that I am very excited about and I think you guys are definitely going to want to see. You can always follow me on Twitter at BrainBeanGaming. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.